Hi guys, it's Nimura, and they are going to be able to go back to their norms without this flood. And we just pray that God, that not many people will be dead or will be killed by this flood. So guys, please subscribe to this channel and keep praying for Europe. Keep praying for everyone who is affected by these floods. Keep praying for Salzburg people, and we hope that all will be well. And we're just hoping that not many people are going to be affected. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It's so scary. It's so scary. And I pray that nothing like this will ever happen again, because for sure many people may lose their life because of this. So guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and keep praying for Europe, and especially Australia. Keep praying for Australia. Keep praying for Belgium. Keep praying for Finland. Keep praying for all those places, because it's not easy living like this. We just hope everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, we'll pray for you. Yeah, keep watching. I'm going to leave you with the clips so that you keep watching, and please pray for Europe, because it's not good at all. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.